Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. Today the task was to clean up the old concrete business. Some old customers of ours retired out of the business, so we're here to clean it up. Trash pile with tires, our little mule, possible auction items, headed for the scrap yard. More scrap yard. Trees that were in the way. And everything you see in these piles was once carefully stowed back here. So, moral of the story, you can't take it with you. Let it go. If you've got lots that need cleaned up, old collections that need to disappear, give us a call. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.